Kublai pi baro syakatuk Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentak sini Shillong. Ya kenduk sop-sop ke VPP ya UBC penremjur ke NEHU. Betha ulat ikinoy lam NEHU bat Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association ban penbet ikikam NEHU. Hakasin ke balai pau penkup urom ke waindo ya lai pongwet ke Samla betebit. Bat kentu kirang ba NPP kinong rep bantur syuki Office Agriculture bat veterinary. Bat mentangin pa syuki khubor bakang dunia. Presiden ke NEHU Profesor Lakon Kema habakren syuki lak pathai khubor ha ka pratarik Naiwieng ula penrem ya ka jingle jong kinoyelam ka Voice of the People Party ki balawan ban ya kendu sop-sop ya Vice Chancellor ke NEHU haka janmit nyau terik Naiwieng. Haka por pergi Samla puli kini ke skul ba kidang penlong ya ke jengeki syak tengan. Profesor Lakon Kemau loong banlet ya kendo ya Vice Chancellor hakum kini ke por bakadang klut ke jengeki kamdun jingmut namar umla bantem ne penbet iki kendrum kendram bagi Samla puli ke lebo hak jingdawa jongki. Profesor Lakon loong kumba kalong menta ka thong hi kalong ban pen urlong ya ka jingdawa jing ki Samla puli ke skul ba bat kinu ki breu ne ki seng ki bawan shenehu ki dei ban wan ai ka jing kershan bat jingerap ya ki kena ki bala syong syak tngan mentala nyopu ar genta. Profesor Lakon ula benrap ru da ka baong ka jinglet ya kendu jing ki dukot jang ka VPP yo Vice Chancellor kala nang pen bitar syusyu ya ki kena puli namar kumba latip baro ki jing kimi na ka jing thok jing syukor bat ka jing bom nyokor jong Vice Chancellor ya ki jing dawa jong ki Samla puli ya la ki jong ki hok ki pasyong basa ki hostel.
I was of course a little out because I was in a Shillong Times program. But I heard that that was unbecoming because when students are agitating, even we as teachers, if I may have as an association a different view, but right now I am not going to express my view because students are agitating. Ideally, I would have expected, we want support across party line, by the way. We want everyone, every Meghalayan, whether you are from this party, that party, you please come and support the student. Don't come and just burst into VC's office. That is not unnecessary. Because right now it is a matter, because they feel very, very offended yesterday, and I feel what they have felt. Because they are on hunger strike, and somebody comes from nowhere to go and meet the VC and come out with solution. They may have submitted a list of solution, but the list of the problem. But that problem doesn't exist anymore as such. Now the problem is different, which these students are talking. Now you should actually, I would have expected that whoever comes to NEHU now, whether they are from NGOs, whether they are from political parties, across party line, they should come and express their sympathy for the students. Talk to their leadership. What do they want? If they say we want this, then that's it. You cannot say no, you want this, but I want something else. I will go and talk now, negotiate. No. If that be the case, NEHU would have negotiated with him long time ago because he has offered all sorts of things. We don't want to. Because right now our concern is we must first please the students. They should be satisfied. I'm not on hunger strike. They are on hunger strike. Let's not forget that. And that's why I'm saying, whoever comes to NEHU, please be mindful of that. That you come here to express your solidarity with the students first. You see their condition. I feel like crying whenever I saw them. They are lying, or like young kids, boys and girls there. They have been fasting for the last 3-4 days. It's not a joke. Naturally, they got agitated when they saw somebody coming and going and talking to the VC when nobody is interested to listen to him right now. And he is a person who has created this problem. No point of negotiating on any. See, for us these are flimsy issue now. Pro VC, this, that is flimsy issue. Right now issue is you have shown that you don't.
Kaseng kinong hikay North Eastern Hills University Teachers Association NEHU but ka Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association MTTA haka pratarik Naiwieng gilalit bani kendo iulat ka jylla CH Vijay Shankar ban penpau hau halor ka jings ngap menti Vice Chancellor ka NEHU Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla halor kimat jing dawa jing Samla puli ka ni ka skul ba NEHU balayalam da ka NEHU su bat ka KSU NEHU unit na ka benta ban wengkam yu registrar bat deputy registrar kiba u Vice Chancellor ulat thungkam bean bat kumju ru ban thung arngut ki pro Vice Chancellor na ka benta ka Shillong bat tura campus habakren bikila pathai khubor hadin ka jingi kendo yulat Presiden ke NEHU ta Profesor Lakhon Kama ulai thu ba ulat ulapen pawe ke jing sngo khia ha ka bayadei ba ka jinglong jingman ha ka skul ba NEHU ha ka ba ki Samla puli ki ha ban syong sha tngan klembo bor ya ka balasdang naduk ke santrik Naiwieng. Ulat ula betharu ikinong hikai bekin wan ban wan ra ikijing a jingmut bat ki jubab na ke benta ban weng ya kini ke kendrum kendram hapok kini ke skul ba.
And I think as a father, he expressed his deepest sense of sadness, like we all, and he's taking this issue very, very seriously. And we had a long discussion on each and every issue that has culminated to this agitation that is led by NEHU and KSU NEHU unit, and of course NEHUTA and META, we are supporting them. I think Governor is aware because he has been reading newspapers and media reports on daily basis that has come out for last several days. And we have had a point-wise discussion on each and every issue. Of course, it's just the first meeting. We didn't arrive at any solution per se. But I think we appreciated the seriousness that the governor has as a chief rector of NEHU, and he will do all necessary possible measures that he will take in order to restore normalcy. So he has indeed he has advised us to come with the suggestions to end this agitation, the solutions, which we will go back and discuss with our members, and also of course we have to interact with the NEHU who is leading the agitation. So we will come back, and he has given us a free, you can say a free pass here, that whenever we feel like coming, we should come, and he will be out. I think he is coming back by 12. So we in the meantime will be preparing what all solutions that we need to take, because there are so many problems that you all know that has led to this agitation. So we will come with our own suggestion and how best we can resolve all the issues. And that much at least he has assured us that he will do everything possible as a chief rector to, and his main concern, like all of us, was that kids should not go like this. They are on hunger strike. It's so sad because ultimately university is meant for them. If they are not there, we teachers are not there, nobody is there. People may come and go, VCs may come and go, teachers may come and go.
Kasing Samla Waindo ha ka pratarik Naiwieng kalasam ya ke educational award arajar arpusaw ka balay po siya ki Samla jonggasnong ban penchlur bat I mean si miki ban nang teri shitom ha ka jing puli jongki. Ha kini kasngi u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon UMP ulalong ukong san ha ka jingadon lang UMLA ka not Shillong ba Adelbert Nongrum urang ba shnong baburon marbanyang bat UMDC ba PNCA bat bun ngut kiri urang ba bat kitu ki bla syakot ngobha ki Samla na kini kashnong ki lepen pho pen pheng ya kini kasngi de ki program babunjat ki kimi ki pa ki lesson ran ya la ki jong ki khon ha kini ka jingelang bekerpang lepen kop buram lai phongut ki Samla ki bala pas ba ha ki examen SSLC HSSLC bat degree ha ki pangjing start beper haba ajing kren urang ba shnong babu marbanyang ulepen pawi ke jingkemen namar man kasnem ki kena puli jang kini kashnong kila nang kiu amtang beki kiu Henry kila nang le ba na kawi kasnem sya kawi pat ulekin turu ki Samla ki bayo iki award banang tere shitom kenang ban kentiu yela ka jingem yela ka ying kesem bat de ke jelaru kumju nakaliang u Dr. Ricky Singkon UMP kumukongsan uloong bekajingya lenti bansami ki khusnam live house scene kadai ka badon jingkermen bat kajing pentamai ulekin tui ki khna school pidei ban sngo sarong ningkong yala ki kmi ki pa namar klem ki phimla ban poisha ka thong nang ta bot se ki nong hikai ki basandur ya ki jabing jongphi de ki jing start babun jat bat babun serta ulepin ken mau bagi Samla puli ki de bandon ka nongrim ka baskem namar ka nongrim ka baskem ka de ka jing shep tieng yau ble bat ulekin turu ik Samla ban trang bat ban sliang ye ki jing puli syaduk ki kerdan basajrong tam palat ya ka kerdan PhD ulas neng bat hikai ru ban kiar na ki shortcut namar ka don jingma lemdawat banyak na ki thup jing start babon jat
nampak kontren como on di babu ni don kami non kai ngaya kami kubai di non kai But kung mahikai na Diyos motomat pagkran haki points mo bagi on imat kaway hatin kaway naman ka kamero pang damang ka pansukro pansotro tingnan po pansan ya unang balay ko uto ya kadaging donbosco banle keke creativity unang balay ko pagkamau ya kadaging Ondok jingkaman, optimism, but kajingkaman, hagajingkaman. Tahu you remember like how, pada ni, hane ya kata apa equality, lagi ni ikut sama macam bagi ya kata creativity, ya kata mensiun pemjuto jingkaman, pada ni iru ya kata jingkaman, jadi jingkaman, mau nampak like how, but ipai sekarang Nomor laiko naka nomrem kajublay laiko uyen netho ya kada Shillong janai bakal jablay kada divine order kajublay but nomor laiko penbaru ya ka yang kovian ani ka God's divine or the God's appointed time. If you don't really have a seat, because someday you will jump more like hope, you can number Nagunda Jumpi, but Puntamari, but Manisha, but Kenya, the Jankury, the Shnoga town, if you take it far, if you need to be the people, but people don't come, there is no creativity of people. Pakinong de kanong wado jiskan sisa dapat saya yang ini itu.
Haka pratarik Naiwieng katanat seng nong rep jong ka National People's Party kalapelong ya kajinge kenduk lang jong kinong rep ka Southwest Khasi Hills ha hall ka school nativity mau kerwat banyatai halor kajing penjulor ka Mariang ya kajing thung jing tep hakini gisngi balala na kajing hap upria barben hakaling kijaka jong kani ka district. Hakini kajingelang lawan ban Aiman Sims ngolem de kirang ba jong kaseng NPP na Shillong kibakentup yu ba HM Shangpliang ba kansing lingxiang ba karnes so syang. Haba ay jingkren kini kirang ba kila Aiman Sim shibon ni kinong rep. Kila ngap bat sya skor bahai kijing kijing ut jing nam ba jing ang nut jong kinong rep na Southwest Khasi Hills. Kinong rep kila kerpat ikini kilaingut ban pasyaw siya kibor bahajrong ya kajing herdor jong usinsar ubeskon bat kiwe kimar rep kibami na kani kathan. Kila kerpat ikasorkar ban penkiw ya kador jong kimar rep kenang bakayok kakot jong kipat ba na kani kathan kanya hap bat kajing kiw dor kimar ba mardi bakongsan. Kini kirang ba kila hikay betin lenti betha bat kentui kinong rep bantur syaki officer jong katanat penroy jing thung jing tep lani ka agriculture department bat syaki officer jong katanat penroy jing ri jing dup veterinary department bantip kila jing erap babunjat na kasorkar jela kinong rep na githan war kilabu ka jing kerpat ka sorkar jela ban wan ra no de ka roadway hakishnong bamla ban kasam surok kenang bekipai ba kinyo kilat kiba khamsuk bat khamstep ban kit ban ba ikimar rep na them syaki jaka balalait surok. Kila kerpat ru ban play kila kilinti da kajing kentiu ya kajing erap hagi kam rijingri kum hagris niang siar dokha belang bat masi namar prapo persen ne kibriu kan ya ke district kidai kinong rep.
Mo matwa pengiseng ya kawe of France la jong ban Peit ban hui ban sumar ya kinong rep ni. Na bolse Ingin mahu kita kami nak diresan election power kanvas. Ini mereka. Lawan hari ini ada job election mengalir di nomor mereka. Dalam job election tak clear di nomor. Dalam election kata lagi naik. Teruskan kata lagi ini nomor lalu orang mengalami malam pada pas election lagi kamu semua. Abang Meghalaya kita konsumsi macam keren sebelum Naiwieng record itu bagi kalian. Bagi ini kacau ni. Bagi yang ini haki tayo balada mengkari sari sensasian. Bagi yang non post terlihat pada sistem tersam di TC Indonesia. Bagi pendek kartu kata kini ki konsumensi di blok dan di TC. Bagi itu ia pun tidak dijadikan. Bagi hadir berlaku soal dengan dijadikan. Gindon kami ini apos kita kabar ginra yang ini kajian kacumpi kabar gini itu bagi pengan kami pun kami bisa juga akan proses bagi itu semua belum diikuti dekat dari opsa jong keterangan kalian.
Kinong Tre jong National Health Mission NHM Meghalaya haka pratarik Naiwieng gila pelong ya kajinge kenduk lang 4th Annual General Meeting St. Paul Parish Hall Nongpo Ripoy District. Hakini kajinge kenduk lang kinong Tre ke NHM ladon lang uba Miral Bonds MLA Uram Kumar Secretary Health and Family Welfare but Mission Director NHM ki President bagi General Secretary nalor ki dukot ke kinhon NHM na kaleng ki District KHUBOR. Kajing temu jong kini kajinge kenduk lang kabashisin chisnem. Kalong banwanra ia kajing itu ithau para nong tre hapo ke NHM banyathir halor kimat jing tre ni kajing para dukot badru banwanra e kajing teli hapadeng ki para nong tre. Hakini kaju kesengi leple pat baru ia ke online web portal bekerpang na kebenta ki nong tre jong ke NHM kabadai kajing kala bakraw hai kirukom trekam bat kawanra ru bun kajing mentoi hakini kajuk. Habakren hakini kajing lang uba Miral Bonds ulapan pau ya kajing kemen bandon lang bat kinong tre ke NHM da kaba ajing ro ya kajing teli jengki bat ya kajing tre shitom jengki ban syakri klem syong tat na kabenta ka kwat ka kya jengki pat ba ding ba ka National Health Mission.
National level, at the state level, that we had the privilege to improve health system within our state. And we are happy in our midst. Sri Ram Kumar also is here, the mission director of NHM. And we felt that the NHM in the past few years, it has touched to a great height within the state. I have to say this today. It is due to the dedication, the sincerity of the officer, especially Ram Kumar, who are here with us, and all the officials who work tirelessly to make this mission a successful one. As I have said in my opening remark, that the policy maker of our country, be it with the system that has been placed before each and every one of us through the National Rural Health Mission then and now as National Health Mission. Also with other mission that the Government of India has launched, be it the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, be it the other mission that has been launched by the central government to ensure that each and every initiative that the central and the state government is taking, it has to reach at ground zero. I must confess that as a member of the Legislative Assembly in the government of Meghalaya, I have witnessed various programs within the state and outside the state also, where we had the privilege to listen, to see.
Kakhasi Students Union KSU Pahams Unit haka pratarik Naiwieng kilapen Khuborjylla ya kan riungut ki Samla pule ki bawan syakmat haka exam SSLC but HSSLC haka program Mat Syaprang Academic Award arajar arpusaw kablalong ha basic government LP school ha Pahams Haka ni kesengi pen Khuborjylla lawan bani Shimenta do Samla Ruben Najer Assistant General Secretary KSU Sengkeme Samla Ferdinand Kharkamni, President ke KSU North Khasi Hills District, Samla James Hitler Maupnyang, Legal Advisor KSU Sengkemi, Kinoyalam Kashnong Pamsi, Kasenglong Kemi bat Kisamla Puli. Hashwa kini ke program penkup buram ke KSU Pamsi Unit, kalapulong ya kejingelap persyak yu drok, kumjuri kindon an habakem drok, nalor kini lapin sengut horu halor kilat kilenti Kisamla habakiwat kamwat jam. Habakren kini ke program, kinoyalam ke KSU kila aimen sim shikat day ye Kisamla puli kibla la ban pasba haka SSLC bat HSSLC na paham sim. Kila kenturu ban yai beteng bat terishitam haki kedan puli kiba syakmat kenang bakinang tensyan bat banlong keburam tang yalade hendui ke yin kesem bat kesnong katha.
Ini kok bisa sampai di Pak. Paling ini semua dijadikan untuk dijadikan. Nama nasi berjual penting kita sah. Kulesi pun sesuatu tapi jelas ini diberi rangka. Kita boleh saya sedikit nak dari jelas. Kalau longgar, very crucial time untuk kami berjalan. Kulesi pun doktor jenisnya lengkap.
The section in Science and Technology. 75.5%, the section in English and Science and Technology.
Udawni dekar arpulai senam kerta driver ulayap hashen kat bau Erickson Swear handyman ula mensau haba katrok kit nyut na Assam she Meghalaya kala surok ba ho umsning ha kapraterik Naiwieng. Kadau jeng ini kejingja kalong ba udawni dekar ula pen hair step bat umla ban bat lakam syu bat kini katrok kala lendang bat ba me kejing jong unongnya. Kipulit na umsning Maria yo jing tip kila ay kejing yarap yo bala mensau kat ba yo bala yap la penkit ekamet jeng shenong po civil hospital ban le ke postmortem. Kipulit kidang tokit ya kini kejingja. Bat da kini ki khubor ngilapoi syakabakut tak hadu pengidai syambiang kubli shibor.